Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. The motorcycle phone mount equipped with patented vibration dampener, effectively reducing the vibration generated when the engine is running at high speed. The 4 damping springs on the metal board can effectively absorb vibrations, protecting your phone camera from B. Number 2. Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. The motorcycle phone mount equipped with patented vibration dampener, effectively reducing the vibration generated when the engine is running at high speed. The 4 damping springs on the metal board reduce shakes and bumps for a smooth and steady ride, protecting your phone camera from being damaged. Number 3. JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount. One-click, Auto Lock 2022, latest motorcycle phone mount features with an upgraded auto lock button. 4 arms will auto-lock your phone with a click, and unlock by pressing both sides. Real one-hand operation. Thanks to the solid structured inner mechanism, the lock button won't get stuck. Number 4. JOYROOM Motorcycle Bike Phone Holder Mount. JOYROOM 2024 new upgrade phone holder for motorcycle comes with heavy-duty silicone pads and bottom support, which keep your phone from scratches and vibration. The double-layer locks firmly hold your phone, and won't slide even with severe bumps. Number 5. Bike Phone Holder Mount. Manx motorcycle phone mount is equipped with 4 military vibration dampener that dampen the phone by up to 90%, effectively cushioning every vibration caused by high speeds and bumps. Whether cruising through the city or adventuring in the mountains,